Hello, everyone, and welcome back to John English Talks. It is so wonderful to have you here with us today. Thank you for joining another episode. We hope you're somewhere comfortable, maybe with a cup of tea or coffee, and ready to relax and learn English with us.
Yes, welcome back. We are so happy you're here. And before we begin, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment at the end. Your comments make us smile every day, and they help our community grow.
You know, John, today started in a funny way for me. I woke up, got out of bed, and the first thing I did was sneeze. Not a cute sneeze, a huge, dramatic earthquake sneeze.
The kind of sneeze that scares you?
Yes, I scared myself. I also scared my cat. She looked at me like, "Are you okay, human?"
Well, at least you know your sneeze has power.
Too much power. And then I thought, sneezing, runny nose, cold weather. This is the season when people visit the pharmacy more often.
Exactly. Cold weather means more colds, more coughs, more runny noses, more I don't feel good days.
And that leads perfectly into today's topic, how to speak English at the pharmacy. Many of our listeners travel to English-speaking countries, or they live abroad, or they have English-speaking pharmacists. And speaking English when you're sick can be a challenge.
Yes, when you're healthy, English feels easy. When you're sick, your brain stops working. You forget vocabulary, you forget grammar, you forget how to be a human being.
So today we want to help you feel confident and comfortable when you visit a pharmacy in English. We will talk naturally, share examples, teach useful vocabulary, and help you feel prepared for real life.
And remember, if you're an ESL learner, you don't need perfect English. You only need clear English, slow English, simple English. That's enough.
So let's start very gently. Imagine you walk into a pharmacy. You're not feeling well. Maybe you have a headache. Maybe you have a cough. Maybe your stomach is being dramatic.
Yes, stomachs love to be dramatic at the wrong time.
And the pharmacist comes to you and says, "How can I help you?" For many learners, that moment is scary.
But it doesn't have to be. You can use a very simple sentence. I need something for blank.
This sentence is a little magical. It works for almost everything. I need something for a headache. I need something for a cough. I need something for allergies.
Another great sentence is, do you have anything for blank?
Yes. For example, do you have anything for stomach pain? Do you have anything for sore throat?
If you don't remember a word, don't panic. You can describe the problem, like my head hurts, my stomach hurts, my throat hurts.
These sentences are simple and perfect. You don't need fancy vocabulary. You just need to show what hurts.
And you can always start with, hi, I'm not feeling well.
Let's practice a small example conversation. I'll be the customer, you be the pharmacist.
Great.
Hi, I'm not feeling well.
I need something for a cough.
Okay, how long have you had the cough?
For 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
No, just a cough.
Okay, try this syrup. Take 1 spoon every 6 hours.
See? Easy conversation, simple English.
Now let's talk about questions. Many people worry about not understanding the instructions for medicine. So here are some questions you can ask the pharmacist. How often should I take it? Should I take it with food? How many times a day should I take it? Can I take this at night? Are there any side effects? Is this safe for children? Should I take it before or after meals?
And remember, you don't need to speak fast. Slow English is very polite. Slow English is clear English.
And pharmacists usually speak slowly and kindly because they know you don't feel well.
Now let's teach some important vocabulary that is very common in pharmacies. We will teach 5 useful words and phrases.
Word 1. Prescription. This is a written note from a doctor that allows you to get specific medicine. Example, do I need a prescription for this?
Word 2, over-the-counter. This means medicine you can buy without a prescription. Example, is this over-the-counter?
Word 3. Dosage. This means how much medicine you should take. Example, what is the dosage for adults?
Word 4, side effects. These are unwanted reactions from medicine. Example, what are the side effects?
And word 5. Sore throat. Pain or discomfort in your throat. Example, I need something for a sore throat.
Let's repeat them slowly. Prescription, over-the-counter, dosage, side effects, sore throat.
Now let's use them naturally. Olivia, have you ever asked a pharmacist about side effects? Yes, I always ask. Sometimes medicine makes me sleepy and I want to know before I take it.
Same here, and dosage is so important too. Some medicines say twice a day, some say every 6 hours.
Many English learners confuse prescription medicine and over-the-counter medicine.
Right. Over-the-counter is easy. You just buy it. No doctor visit. Prescription medicine needs a doctor.
Speaking of sore throats, remember that time you had a sore throat and you sounded like a frog?
Yes. Thank you for reminding me of the darkest moment of my life.
It was a very deep frog voice. But that also shows how important pharmacies are. You went in, explained your symptoms, and the pharmacist helped you.
Yes, and here are some more useful sentences you can use at the pharmacy. Do you have something for allergies? I think I have a fever. I need a cream for a rash. My nose is blocked. Do you have cold medicine?
And here are sentences you might hear. How long have you had these symptoms? Are you allergic to any medicine? Do you want tablets or syrup? Have you taken this before? Do you have any medical conditions?
Let's do a longer role play now. This will help listeners feel more confident. You'll play the customer again.
Perfect. Hi, excuse me. I'm not feeling well.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I have a sore throat and a little fever.
How long have you had the fever?
Since last night.
Are you taking any other medicine right now?
No.
Okay, I recommend these lozenges for the sore throat and take this syrup for the fever. The dosage is 1 spoon every 8 hours.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, it's better with food.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Conversations like this are simple, calm, and easy to follow.
Now let's recap everything we learned today. We talked about simple sentences like, I need something for, do you have anything for, my hurts. We discussed useful questions like, how often should I take it, and are there any side effects?
And we learned our 5 key vocabulary words: prescription, over-the-counter, dosage, side effects, and sore throat.
Here's our question of the day for all our wonderful listeners. Use one of today's vocabulary words in the comments and write a short sentence. For example, yesterday I had a sore throat. Or, what are the side effects of this medicine?
Yes, we read your comments, and it makes us so happy to see you practicing real English.
Remember, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning. Every time you practice, you grow a little more.
And you're doing great. We believe in you. and we're here with you on your English journey.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with a friend who is learning English. Have a beautiful day, take care of your health, drink water, and we will see you in the next episode of John English Talks.
Bye.